Today I will present you another software. It's an IMMO3 editor for the Volkswagen Group. You can edit dashboards, EEPROM. The software is freeware. You can download and use it free of charge. Okay. The software automatically opened and it's popping up to load the automatical file. I close that window. This is how it's looking, the software. The license. The software has been made available for testing and development purpose, can be used free of charge. With credit, you can distribute it. Commercial use, it's prohibited. So you need to agree the license agreements. It's development by Golf for the person from there, but I will show you later the page. Right now I prepared a dump. I will open the dashboard EEPROM. Of course, it's in English, but some notifications are still in German language. But we can manage or go to DRAM. So as you can see, we have the immobilizer ID, the key, the status, the allowance of RPM, the maximum speed. We can import key data, delete key data, or export. We can change the part number or the VIN of the car, SKC, the mileage. Here when we have this option we can edit, set to a different part number if you want. We can make some characteristic of rotation speed. If you want to change, we have here the characteristic and we will change manually and then we will hit apply. If we want, we can change the pattern of the coolant temperature needle, how it's handling. We have the fuel gauge, but this we cannot change. We have the speed. We can change the characteristic and apply if you want. Also, what it's interesting, the coding, we are able to recode it on the bench via EEPROM only. So it's opening a nice coding window where we have the coding country variant, the distance, and we have seatbelt warning, fluid washer warning, the service type, how we can set it for this cluster, and we can apply it if you want. Or another information regarding the country variants. Let's close. We can change the language of the cluster. For example, if you want in English, we can do the service reset, the interval reset. We can modify the illumination setting when ignition is on. For example, we can set the ignition to on and configure we want to backlight only the needles. We can backlight only the scales but not the displays, and display will be illuminated only after you turn on the headlights. Or you can illuminate only the display how you wish. You can make this modification based on ignition on. We have also the MFD settings and modification. We can adjust the brightness of the MFD screen. We have this information when it's cold outside under the 4 degree to have a bang, a gong, a bell ring. We have distance to empty to can be activated, or to modify the average consumption when the car is idling. We have also modification and adjustments. Here are related to cruise control, settings, glow plug light. This is applying only for the diesel. From where to get the temperature signal. 1 second, the phone is still ringing. Okay, what we can change also is the speed signal to use wheel speed instead of gearbox, and display the gearbox selection if we have an automatic transmission. Also, we have the brightness of the needles or the scales. We can set a different brightness level. For example, when you change the backlight LEDs to another color, and maybe when you turn on the engine, sorry, the brightness it's too high, and it's not enough to change from the brightness level from the car. You can adjust directly from the EEPROM if you're doing the dashboard modification of the colors. Also, we have the warning sound level we can adjust, and if we click on edit, we can edit the key data. We can change it manually. So from 6.2 I will change to 4.3. This is only related to key data. So other option has been marked as disabled in order to know where you can edit only. But let's return. This is the official page. I translated automatically, it's in German. I translated by Google Translate from German to English. So the person who released the software is Bansi. This is the list of vehicles supported and tested. Which type of instrument cluster are supported are of course the IMMO3 from VDO. And here are the list of the function you can do it. We have the screenshots which are here, and the download link where I can get it. It's a Dropbox. I will include in the video the link from the forum. Maybe you will download, you will find useful for what are you doing. Also, the Bansi released an IMMO2 editor, which is working on older generation of dashboard, which have an IMMO2. There are less function on the IMMO2 editor, but right now the software it's available only in German language. I will not show the IMMO2, but also the IMMO2 editor, it's free of use, so there cost any money, no. Once again, there's free of charge. Maybe you will need to work on some IMMO2 dashboards. But the most interesting one is the IMMO3 VDO EEPROM Editor. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Bye bye.